The Xiaomi Mi A2 64GB storage variant in gold color was seen listed on Amazon.in. A Twitter user posted the screenshot of an order on the microblogging platform. Last week, Xiaomi announced that its much-awaited Mi A2 Android One smartphone will be an Amazon exclusive device in the country. The Chinese conglomerate made the announcement through a rolling ad on the Amazon's homepage. The Mi A2 will officially be available on the e-commerce platform from the August 8th, but a Twitter user has posted two screenshots which show the price of the 64GB variant at rupees 17,499. When we checked the same on Amazon, we could find any trace of the price listing. Twitter user Aman Sahane tweeted a screenshot from the deals section of the Amazon India app. The Mi A2 is seen listed under today's deals section and the offer ends on August 8th. If you need to buy the phone from Amazon, you can click on the ad which is rolling on the homepage of the e-commerce platform or search for Mi A2 in the letter case. A link will be appear on the top of homepage that will guide you the special page the Xiaomi had created to advertise the Mi A2 smartphone. On the homepage, you can click the Notify Me button so that the website can send you a notification when the phone becomes available. So friends, hope you like this. We'll meet you in the next update. Thank you. Bye bye.